For the tools and techniques you need to make or repair bags, shoes, clothing, and much more, this is the Ohio Travel Bag Workshop. Today we're going to show you how to build a belt with a belt blank. Step 1. Get the right tools. You're going to need one belt blank, a belt buckle and keeper, Chicago screws, a Chicago screw tool, a leather awl, a leather punch, a leather strap end punch, rawhide mallet, and a ruler. Got all that? Step 2. Add the buckle. Our pre-punched belt blanks have spots for a buckle and fasteners. We'll be using a buckle and matching keeper. Using pre-punched holes, take the tongue of the buckle and insert at the oblong hole and fold it over. Step 3. Add the fastener and belt keeper. We're using 3/8 inch Chicago screws. Use a Chicago screw tool to keep the screw in place while also clamping down the leather so they can be screwed in tight. You might choose to add a little Loctite glue to keep these from loosening. After setting the first Chicago screw, slide in the belt keeper so it's held into place in between the folded leather. Then, set the final Chicago screw. Step 4. Create belt buckle notches and size your belt. We're doing a simple guess as to how long this should be, but for professional purposes, size it to standard lengths for your customers. Then use a ruler to mark the notches for adjusting your belt. We're marking about 1 inch apart and very loosely cutting using a hole punch. Then use a leather strap end punch to cut excess leather off the belt. You can finish this using the edge die to coat the exposed leather sides or leave it as is. And there you have it, making a belt with pre-punched belt blanks. Try it for yourself. You can find all of these tools and more at ohiotravelbag.com.